Talking engines: Thomas, Victor, Salty, Percy, Diesel, Henry, and Edward. First things, battery terminals, good. Listen, Edward is very loud, so we need to, this one is just one screw, and then this piece here, only one screw holds the motor to the chassis. Okay, I'm not gonna struggle with that. There. 3 screws. Now we need to remove this. This is very tight, but it makes noise. New cog. Good. I need to clean those cogs. Can you see that? Much better. Okay, Edward is ready.
Edward the Steady is at the ready. Don't worry, Steady. Excuse me, I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Noise fixed decals for another video. Well, I'll do this off camera. Now I'm gonna focus only on fix and repair. Now, where is the battery cover? This one also loud. No wonder why it makes so much noise. Dirty. Look at that. Now let's see how it looks inside. Wow, dirty. Yeah, this is the problem. Needs some cleaning. A lot of cleaning actually. Okay, new cog ready. Now let's hear it.
Hello, I'm Henry.
Cool.
Hello, I'm Henry.
Alright, Henry is ready, and I look for the battery cover later. See, all these models have almost the same problem. But look at this. I need to clean that. Wow, I need to make sure it's clean. Wow. Okay, diesel is okay. Paint will be done in another video. Alright, what's wrong with Percy? Percy is missing the side rods.
Hello, I'm Percy.
Basically just need some cleaning and side rods. Okay, some cleaning. Now let's see what's going on with Salty.
Ahoy, matey! I'm Salty!
Alright, salty, dirty, and loud motor. Wow. This is, oh, is that a crack right there? I think so. I ran out of a small coal, so I'm gonna put some. At least the rest look okay. Good.
I'm salty. I love to tell my stories of the sea.
Very nice, very nice, very quiet. Excellent. Like new. It just needs more cleaning and little detailing and we're good to go. This Victor has some wear on these decals. But hey, this is not expensive model anyways. Yeah, it's loud. So Victor needs a new cog. Just a little dusty, not too much. So all the Tolkien engines have the same problem. This cog is the problem. This is clean. As always, big difference.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Nice. Now we have Thomas. Now Thomas.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Thomas is okay. Just a little cleaning. And it's fast. Let me tell you, I have another Thomas here. But it's a broken coupling. Needs a lot of cleaning.
I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 blue engine.
Other than that, it's very good. I need to clean that. This one is a little bit up, but I think we can make a custom out of it, like
Hello, I'm
4.5
Thomas.
volts.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Or another custom. Alright. Little cleaning out of camera and little detailing and we are good to go.